Let's learn how to turn off microphone in TikTok live gaming. Hello, welcome to GladTech YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you on how to turn off microphone in TikTok live gaming. To turn off microphone simply means to mute microphone during your game process. So the first thing you have to do is to log into your TikTok app. The next is to click on the plus icon. Clicking on the plus icon is going to take you to this new screen where you have to click on the live option found at the bottom of your screen beneath the camera option. Click on the live option. So right here you have to select mobile gaming from the options. Just scroll, click on mobile gaming. So this is mobile gaming. The next thing you have to do is to add a title to your mobile gaming. Select the kind of game you want to play. So I'll be playing eFootball 2024. You can set your scale for reward and so on. Having done that, the next thing you have to do is to click on go live. Click on start now. It's going to take some time to process, so you just have to leave it. Click on go live. Click on more option. So click on mute microphone. So guys, if this video is helpful, do also like, subscribe